Hi, Stuart Barn here, and in this video we're looking at the blues scale CAGED shape 3, and I'm going to be using it over a major chord. As we mentioned with the previous two shapes, you can use this scale over a minor chord or a major chord. It's equally effective in both situations. So we're going to do it in the key of A again. So this is what the scale looks like. And this is again just the minor pentatonic scale with one extra note added in. This note appears here, here, and here. So it appears in three places within this scale shape. The note itself, as we mentioned before, is called a flat 5, and when you play it with emphasis, it creates extreme tension. This is true for whether you play it over a major or a minor chord. So let's just quickly demonstrate that. Here's my A major. So hopefully you could hear that emphasis on that one note really did create extreme tension, and then I had to sort of resolve it somewhere else afterwards to ease things off again. So that was the first of the two approaches that it's generally used for. The other approach is passing through. So here is passing through this note, so with much less emphasis. So it's a much smoother, bluesy, maybe jazzy effect when you pass through it in that way. As usual, if you need to work on this scale, you should play over this single chord, an A major or an A minor, which I recommend just to keep things very simple so you can focus on how you're using the scale rather than dealing with chord changes. Try and take both approaches. Sometimes play this note with emphasis, other times just pass through. Get in your practice stream for a week or so, and I'm sure you will see results. Please give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was useful, and subscribe. See you in the next video.